Hello and welcome to the 14th video of our series, English for Absolute Beginners, How to Speak English in 30 Days. In this video, we will learn how to use past perfect in English. Past perfect is used to talk about actions or situations that happened or ended before another past action or time. For example, I had already eaten when he arrived means that I completed the action of eating before he arrived in the past. There are two main types of past perfect in English: past perfect simple, past perfect continuous. Let's see how they are used in different situations. Past perfect simple. We use past perfect simple to talk about completed actions or states that happened before another past action or time. For example, she had studied hard for the exam means that she completed the action of studying hard for the exam before another past action. She took the exam. To form past perfect simple, we use had plus past participle of another verb. For example, she had finished her homework before she went to bed means that she completed the action of finishing her homework before another past action. She went to bed. To form past perfect continuous, we use had plus been plus verbing. For example, he had been studying hard for the test before he got sick means that he started studying hard for the test in the past, and he was still studying hard for the test before another past action. He got sick. Now that you have learned how to use past perfect in English, let's practice with some exercises. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. 1. She study for 3 hours before she took the exam. She had studied for 3 hours before she took the exam. 2. They play soccer for 2 hours before it started to rain. They had been playing soccer for 2 hours before it started to rain. 3. He work on the project for 3 weeks before he submitted it. He had been working on the project for 3 weeks before he submitted it. 4. I watch a movie before I went to bed last night. I had watched a movie before I went to bed last night. 5. She study English for 2 years before she moved to New York. She had studied English for 2 years before she moved to New York. Well done for completing this 14th episode for English for Absolute Beginners. Remember, practice is key. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy learning!